The tip today, get fit. Lose the weight, get in shape, increase your energy levels, because real estate investing takes, guess what? A little bit extra energy. You're doing a little more than you were doing when you just worked a job. It is so important to understand that when you want to achieve any goal in your life, including building a second stream of income, you're going to need energy to do that. And a lot of people, I hear it all the time, man, when I get home from work, I'm pooped. That's because you're out of shape. There's no way you should be tired, so tired that you can't do anything after working your 8, 9, 10-hour day. You've got to understand fitness is everything, really in any part of your life, but especially if you want to do something important like build a second stream of income with real estate. And I'm not talking about going crazy. I'm talking about 30 minutes, 3-4 times a week. Get into the gym, take care of yourself, make sure you're doing aerobic training and weight training. You've got to do both. That will increase your energy levels dramatically. When I was in the health club industry, one of the excuses people would give me when I'd ask them to join was, well, I just don't have the energy. That's because you don't work out. That's the whole point. Working out increases your energy levels. It reduces fat content. It increases muscle density. It speeds up your metabolism. It improves your cognitive skills. It improves your sex drive. It does so much, it's ridiculous. So, the investor tip today is get fit. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. That's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.